Tally Prime release 4.0 is about to be launched. It will be launched very soon, and it will be launched with three major features. Feature number 1, owner's dashboard. Feature number 2, import from Excel, and the feature number 3, that was the most awaited feature, that is WhatsApp connectivity. So if you want to know about this latest release Tally 4.0, you can click on the link below and register for the live webinar which I am conducting as a part of Accounting Friend lecture series. It will be our session number 131, and please let me tell you that the software 4.0, Tally Prime 4.0 is not yet launched, so you will be one of the few first people who will be able to have a preview of Tally 4.0. So it is a privilege. So if you want to know, just click on the link below, register and join the session live with me. We will explore the software, how it can be used for our business growth. So let us meet live. Thank you.